Or CNC Bender, driven by intelligent controls, delivers micrometer-precise bends, flawless arcs for panels, or sharp angles for machinery, outperforming traditional models. German hydraulic power handles heavy plates with forging-grade quality, while auto deflection compensation ensures industry-leading straightness. One-click DXF import and quick mold change, faster than coffee breaks, boost efficiency. Adaptable for thin or thick materials, its fast, accurate, stable performance powers workshop upgrades.